Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's Pelican front bumper for Ford's 2021 and up F150. First, remove your front bumper. We show how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 1. Using two of the included countersunk screws, washers, and nuts, secure the upper fog light tab on each side of the bumper using a 10mm wrench and 4mm hex key. Step 2. Using a 3/8 drill bit, drill the bottom side of the fog light to gain thread clearance when mounting the bumper. Step 3. Place your fog lights in position and with a 13mm wrench, begin tightening down. The longest bolt goes to the bottom. The second longest goes to the tab assembled in Step 1. And the shortest bolt goes to the inside of the bumper. Lightly secure these so it can be shifted later. Step 4. Remove your sensor bezels from the stock bumper. Note that they are location specific. Each bezel goes to the relative position on the new bumper. For example, the driver's side bezel goes on the far driver's side. Step 5. Fit your factory bezels into the bumper. They may need trim since the bumper is thicker than the factory bumper. Install your sensors into the bumper. Step 6. Route your factory wire harness into the bumper. Connect your fog lights, sensors, and zip tie your harnesses into place. Step 7. Place the included foam along the bumper mounting surfaces. Step 8. Tape your factory nut plate on top of the bumper mount and use factory bolts to install, using a 15mm socket. Step 9. If you did not purchase a winch bracket, remove the intercooler shroud and place the shims between the bumper and frame. Step 10. Using a 15mm socket, tighten down the factory M12 bolts into the nut plate. Step 11. Using a 22mm socket and wrench, tighten down the M14 bolts and nuts to the frame and bumper bracket. Step 12. Reconnect your wiring harness. Step 13. Place the trim and grille into place with the factory fasteners. Step 14. If your vehicle comes equipped with it, use our active cruise control relocation bracket in the grille and reconnect the harness. Note that the harness may need modification. And you're done.